I was on the phone for an hour.
Who were you talking to for an hour?
Sam, an old friend from college.
When is the last time you talked to him?
At college graduation.
Wow, that was 30 years ago.
We had a lot of catching up to do.
I had lunch with Sue today.
Your ex-girlfriend.
Yes, we bumped into each other at the store.
She's back in town?
Yeah, she moved back last month.
Are you going to see her again?
I'm single now, so I asked her on a date.
What did she say?
Yes, we have more catching up to do.
Ask Sue if she keeps in touch with Karen, my ex-girlfriend.
Did you hear about Molly and Dan?
No, what's going on?
They're getting a divorce.
Really? They've been married for 30 years.
Dan cheated on Molly.
That is awful.
Did you hear the office rumor?
No, I didn't. What's happening?
They're going to lay off several people this month.
Where did you hear this?
I heard it from Bill.
Are you worried?
Yes, I've only been here for 6 months.
Then I should be more worried than you.
Why? Everyone likes you here.
I've only been here for 4 months.
Do you remember when we were kids?
Yes, you were mean to me.
No, I wasn't.
Yes, you were. You used to take my toys.
I did? I'm sorry.
That's okay. You're a great brother now.
Do you remember our 10th birthday?
Yes, we got a puppy that year.
I miss that puppy.
Me too. He had a great name.
Actually, I don't remember his name.
How could you forget his name? His name was Buster.
Oh, yeah. It was a sad day when Buster died.
I never wanted another dog after that.
How old was Buster when he died?
You don't remember anything. He was 14 years old.
How are the kids?
They're doing well.
How old are they now?
Mike is 18. He's in college. Janet is 16. She's in high school.
Wow, they're growing up.
I know. Growing up too fast.
How are the kids doing?
They are so busy with sports.
What do they play?
Jenny plays softball and Luke plays baseball.
You must be busy with games.
There are games every weekend.
Isn't it fun to watch?
It is so much fun to watch and cheer the teams on.
I miss those days. My kids are all in college now.
Time is too short.
I am so busy.
What's going on?
I have an important report due tomorrow.
Are you almost done?
No, and I'm starting to feel sick.
You better get some rest before you get sicker.
I don't have time to rest.
What are you doing this weekend?
I have so much to do.
Why are you always so busy?
Because I have 2 jobs and I go to school part-time.
I'm sorry. Did I make you upset?
No, I just have a lot of stress.
Can I help you?
Not really. It's just work and school stuff.
You need to make time for yourself.
I know. Let's get dinner together next weekend.